With me, I have all the package components of a new Rexing V1P. First, let's look at the two mounting pieces. Mounting the camera is handled by the plastic mount and the adhesive pad. You can take the dash cam and slide the mount piece into the back of the camera to observe how it would be mounting to the windshield. To stick the adhesive pad to the plastic piece, remove the sticker to reveal the adhesive on one side, then firmly apply it to the mounting piece. At this point, the other side of the adhesive pad should still be covered by a sticker. Make sure that before you prepare the adhesive on the windshield side, you've chosen a definite spot to mount the dash cam on your windshield. It should always be high enough on the windshield where it doesn't obstruct your view of the road whatsoever. When you found a good location for the mount, you can peel off the sticker and firmly apply it to the windshield. Once you mounted the camera, you're ready to wire it to the car. Included with the dash cam are two wires, each with mini USB ends that connect to the dash cam. However, these cables are meant for different functions. The longer of the two cables is a car power connector, which plugs into the accessory port or cigarette lighter port in your car to provide power to the dash cam while you drive. The other shorter cable with the full-size USB end is meant to be used to connect the dash cam to a computer for transferring files. This cable is not meant to supply constant power from your car to the dash cam. To ensure reliable operation, always use the car power connector. Once you've identified an accessory port in your car, press the charger into the port. From this point, you should have a fair amount of wire to manage. To reduce clutter and provide the most discreet setup, you're going to want to string the wires along the frame of your car and eventually hang it down to plug into the dash cam. You can do this by either tucking the wires into the frame of your car or by using the included wire clips. As you can see, I've set mine up in a way where the wires are almost completely out of sight. However, everyone's car is different, so make sure to use the wire clips if tucking the wires isn't an option for you. The Rexing V1P includes a rear camera attachment and an extension cable for connecting the front and rear cameras. To set up the rear camera in your car, first mount it to your rear windshield. Once you connect the camera to the rear camera port, located on the right side of the front camera, you can then hide the cable along the frame of your car, just like you did with the power cable. At this point, you're just about ready to go. The last thing to do is use your micro SD card with the camera. When inserting a micro SD card into the card slot on the top left side of the camera, you should be able to see any text on the card in the same orientation as the Rexing logo on the dash cam. When you press the card into the slot, make sure you hear a click. When this is done, the card should be secured inside the dash cam. When you want to take out the card, firmly press on the card until it clicks again, letting it pop out slightly. Once the card is inserted into the camera, we need to format the memory card to ensure the dash cam can record with no problems. To do this, we need to find the format function in the setup menu. To access the setup menu, first power on the camera. If the camera begins recording right away, as indicated by a blinking red light, stop recording by pressing the rec button. Once you're not recording, press the menu button, which is located on the bottom left side of the camera. This should open up the video menu. Press the menu button one more time to get to the setup menu. Once you're there, use the rec and mic buttons to scroll through the functions. Once you find the format function, press the OK button to select it. Navigate through the prompts and press OK again to confirm your selection. When the camera finishes formatting, you'll be returned to the setup menu. From here, you can press the menu button one more time to exit the menu. From this point, you're all set to record your travels. For more information about using your dash cam, please refer to the manual included with your camera. You can also find electronic versions of all our manuals on the download section of our website, which is rexingusa.com. Thank you.